Hey there, tech aficionados and fellow laptop enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth reviews of innovative tech solutions. Today, we're diving into the world of ergonomic laptop accessories with the BESIGN LS03 aluminum notebook stand. If you're looking to elevate your laptop experience to new heights, both figuratively and literally, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with an introduction to the BESIGN LS03 aluminum notebook stand. This stand is designed with broad compatibility in mind. It can accommodate laptops ranging from 10 to 15.6 inches, including popular models like the MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, Lenovo ThinkPad, Dell laptops, HP, Asus, Chromebooks, and more. No matter your laptop, this stand has got you covered. What sets this laptop stand apart is its ergonomic design. By elevating your laptop by a comfortable 6 inches, it helps you achieve the perfect viewing level. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about improving your posture and reducing the strain on your neck and shoulders. And the best part? It's super easy to detach and assemble, giving you flexibility and convenience. Sturdiness and protection are paramount when it comes to a laptop stand, and the BESIGN LS03 delivers. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy, it's both sturdy and stylish. It can support laptops weighing up to 8.8 pounds, so you can trust it to keep your laptop stable and wobble-free. Plus, the rubber on the holder hands ensures a secure grip, preventing any scratches on your laptop. If you've ever worried about your laptop overheating during long work or gaming sessions, this stand has you covered. Its open aluminum design allows for excellent ventilation and airflow, effectively preventing your laptop from reaching uncomfortable temperatures. And when you're not using it, it folds flat for easy storage, creating extra space on your desk and keeping things tidy. Last but not least, let's talk about user-friendliness. Thanks to its detachable design, assembling the LS03 laptop stand is a breeze, requiring just 3 simple steps. Elevating your laptop to the optimal viewing angle has never been this easy. So, there you have it, the BESIGN LS03 aluminum notebook stand. It's a game-changer for anyone seeking an ergonomic and stylish solution to enhance their laptop experience. With broad compatibility, stability, cooling benefits, and ease of use, it's a must-have for laptop users. If you found this review helpful and you're ready to elevate your laptop experience, please hit that like button and share this video with your fellow laptop users. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of innovative tech solutions like this one. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep your laptops cool, your posture comfortable, and stay tuned for more tech insights.